Hello and welcome to week 1 of Code Club. Here is our plan for the next few weeks. First of all, we're going to talk about what coding is and why it's important. Those of you who have been to Code Club before with me will know a wee bit about this already, and I'll be looking for you guys to share your understanding of coding and talk about why it's important to you, what's the purpose of it. We're also going to explore different computer programming languages through different apps. We're going to talk every week about skills, so learning how to code is a real skill that you'll use in your life, help you with your learning, as always, and in the workplace. Finally, we're going to have fun with our friends. You are now all officially members of Code Club. That means you have exclusive access to online resources which will help you at home on your own to code. So you can do this if you have a computer at home, if you access a computer at the library, anywhere that you can get online. Righty, so the first thing I need you to do is to Google Code Club. It's the most simple way of accessing the website. When you Google it, the first page is the one you're going to click on. And that should take us to the Code Club website. When you get access, here is what you'll be faced with, the Code Club site. Okay? From here, I want you to click on Projects up in the top corner here. When you click on this button, it will take you to this page and you click on Go to the Projects. From here, it will tell you different options you have to choose Code Club courses. I'd like you to click on Scratch. When you click on Scratch, here's the screen you'll be presented with. There are lots of different modules, projects for you to get involved in, and it gives you step-by-step instructions of how to complete each project. Here's an example. Here it's telling you about sprites. So sprites are the characters used in Scratch and how to edit them and how to get them moving to manipulate our characters. You can also work on the backgrounds too, so that he's got a lovely place to wander about in. To get into some of the projects, you will need to insert your club ID and PIN. That's on the letter that you're going to take home today. Okay, I think it's time for us just to get started. This week we're going to be using an app we've never used before at Code Club. And it's called Tickle. You're going to find this app on your iPad and open it up. When you open it, your screen will look like this. From here, we're going to press the Courses button. When you do that, it's going to take you to Safari to tickleapp.com, and from here we're going to click on the Swimming Orca. This will open up our lesson plan and all our instructions for completing our first computer program. In each of our lessons, it will tell you the objectives, and here are what we're working on this week. We're going to become familiar with visual programming. We're going to program the orca to swim using basic motion commands, understand the sequential execution of commands and repetition. So basically, understanding that when we put in an instruction, we can get it to happen again and again and again. And coordinates. So, you're ready to get started. It will be your job to move from the app to the Safari site to use the instructions. This will be a bit clumpy at first, but it will get much easier, believe me. You're going to follow the instructions. I'm here to help you. So sit quietly with your hand up and patiently until I can come round. But please, please, please have a good try at working it out first, because the best way to learn something is to teach yourself how to do it. Okay, let's get programming. Righty, when you've accessed Tickle and opened it up, you're looking for the new project button, and that will take you to this screen. We're going to scroll to the bottom and look for the Orca. Here's what should appear, and it already has our code, our list of instructions ready for us. Coding is basically giving a computer a set of instructions and telling it what you would like it to do, and then it will run through that set of instructions doing what you've asked it to. Our first challenge is to make the orca swim in a circle forever. There's a tip: by adding a forever block around the repeat 36 times block, the orca will continue to swim in circles forever until you hit the stop button. It's telling us what it wants us to do. Okay, we're back in the app. So it has said we have to put a repeat block a forever block around all the set of instructions. To get the blocks we're looking for, we're looking at the colour-coded list at the left-hand side over here. The forever block we'll find under the Control tab. Once we've found the forever block, we have to unclip the when starting to play and the play sound pop. Once the forever block is in place, it will look like this. We have to take the bottom instruction out, and this is what the correct instructions will look like to make the orca swim round in a circle. That's the first challenge done. When you have completed challenge 1, I'd like you to work through challenge 2 on the Safari webpage and work through it by yourself. Again, if you need any help, let me know, but you're more than capable, I think, of doing this. You can do it. Let's get coding.